Unlock the power of real-time communication in your PHP apps by mastering Twilio integration. First, we'll head over to Twilio.com and sign up for an account. This is your gateway to all their incredible communication tools. Once logged in, you'll find your unique account SID and Auth token. Keep these secret and secure. You'll also need to grab one of your Twilio phone numbers. Next, we need to add the Twilio PHP SDK to your project. The easiest way to do this is by using Composer, PHP's dependency manager. Now, let's dive into sending your first SMS. We'll use the SDK to connect to Twilio. Specify your Twilio number as the sender, the recipient's number, and craft your message. This involves initializing the Twilio client with your credentials, and then calling the messages service to create a new message, passing in the required sender, recipient, and message body. With just a few lines of PHP, your message is on its way. But Twilio is more than just SMS. You can also leverage the SDK to initiate outbound calls, receive incoming calls, and even build rich messaging experiences, all programmatically within your PHP application. Start building smarter communication into your PHP projects today with Twilio.